Hello and very warm welcome to One India News YouTube channel. I'm Gulab. Have you ever had an encounter with a ghost in your life? Or have you ever heard a scary voice in your life? Well, recently, the Emergency Services Department in the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai were having a tough time working at their headquarter office in CST. The employees complained of paranormal activities happening at the 25-year-old monumental office. The employees from the department began experiencing strange sounds during the night shifts. People who were appointed during the night shifts would feel the presence of a paranormal being. Some felt there was someone hiding behind the curtains and whispering constantly. According to the employees, incidents, however, subsided after a Vaastu puja was held on the floor. The department was first placed on the ground floor. It was then shifted to the second floor in 2016. The entire department was renovated following international standards. The department is equipped with a video wall, CCTV control room and chic furniture. And from the following day, fire calls in Mumbai increased. The BMC officials speculated that it was due to the wrong direction on which the department was based on the reason for such weird activities. Thank you for watching this video. For similar stories and videos, don't forget to subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.